Hey guys, I'm Yoko. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today, I'm going to make strawberry and ginger hot smoothie bowl. This recipe is perfect for chilly winter morning. Freshness from strawberry and spicy kick from ginger is my favorite combo. And we are going to use wholesome ingredients to warm me up. As a smoothie lover like myself, enjoying smoothie in the morning is a great way to start the day during spring and summer. But during the fall and winter, it's just too cold for frosty and icy smoothies. But smoothies are not necessary to be cold. You can warm them up to make great breakfast for a cold winter morning. We are going to use seasonal fruits and vegetables to make warm smoothie bowl. So let's cozy up and start making. For this recipe, we use apple, kale, strawberries, beets, ginger, dates, and almonds. So let's start prepare fruits and veggies. First, let's remove the core of an apple. We just need a half of it for this recipe. Next up is 1 cup of strawberries. Strawberries are one of the dirty dozen list, so make sure to wash them really nice before you use them. I like to just remove the leaves and leave the stem on. Leaves and stems are as nutrient as flesh, so you can eat if you want to. Next one is ginger. Easiest way to remove the skin of the ginger is using spoon. Gently rub the surface of the ginger and you see that skin comes off easily. We use just about half a thumb of it, but it adds kick to the taste and warm your body up on the cold day. Next, let's tear up 1 cup of kale. It's about 1 or 2 stems. Smoothies are best place to sneak in some extra greens to boost the nutrient. And believe me, you will never taste it. You can add more if you want more benefit. Okay, last part of the cutting is this beets. First, oil the cutting board so that you can prevent the stain. Cut off the beet green and remove the skin. We don't use the green part of the beets today, but these are so good and nutritious, so please don't throw away. If you don't have any kale on hand, you can use this instead. We just need half of the beet, but mine was a little bit small, so I just used the whole thing. This adds vibrant color and warm flavor. If you don't like earthy flavor of the beets, reduce to the half, or you can cook them to soften the flavor a bit. Now, to a blender, we are gonna add half cup of water as a base. Then 1 cup of strawberries for freshness. Half an apple for sweetness and tart. Then we are gonna add 1 cup of kale. And for the extra sweetness, I add 3 dates. Make sure to remove all the seeds. You can reduce to 1 or 2 if you like less sweet, but I just go ahead and use 3 of them. Then we're gonna add half the beets for gorgeous color. Add half a thumb of ginger. And for the last ingredients, we're gonna use 1/3 cup of almonds. So let's blend this up until it gets nice and creamy. I use water as a base, but by blending almond with water gives the effect of using almond milk. If your blender is not that powerful, using almond butter gives the same result. After the blending, it's time to heat it up. You can transfer to the pot and heat it up, or transfer to the plate and microwave it. As you can see, the smoothie is naturally thick even when it's at the room temperature. So you can batch make before night and pop into the microwave in the morning. Make sure to add the topping after you warm up. Today, I topped mine with some strawberries, blueberries, pumpkin seeds, and lightly toasted coconut chips. Grab your coffee and it's time to enjoy your bowl of hot smoothie bowl.